Unlock the secrets of cooking. Blanched vegetables. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its practical use in everyday life. Today, we're exploring a term that's essential for cooking enthusiasts and anyone looking to enhance their culinary skills: blanched vegetables. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, understanding this technique can elevate your cooking game. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of blanching vegetables. Blanching is a cooking process that involves briefly boiling vegetables in water, followed by immediately cooling them down in ice-cold water. This technique stops the cooking process, ensuring that the vegetables retain their vibrant color, crisp texture, and nutritional value. When we talk about blanched vegetables, we're referring to vegetables that have undergone this quick cooking and cooling process. You might wonder why go through the trouble of blanching vegetables. The reasons are manifold. Preserves color. Blanching helps in keeping the bright, appealing color of vegetables, making your dishes look more vibrant. Maintains texture. It ensures that vegetables stay crisp, enhancing the overall eating experience. Nutrient retention. This method helps in locking in vitamins and minerals that might be lost during longer cooking processes. Preparation for further cooking. Blanching can prepare vegetables for freezing, sautéing, or adding to mixed dishes, as it partially cooks them without making them too soft. Blanching might sound complicated, but it's quite simple. Here's how you can do it. 1. Boil water. Start by boiling a large pot of water. Make sure there's enough water to completely submerge the vegetables. 2. Prepare vegetables. While the water is boiling, clean and chop your vegetables into even sizes for uniform cooking. 3. Blanching time. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your vegetables to the pot. Let them boil for a brief period, typically 1 to 5 minutes, depending on the vegetable. 4. Ice bath. Prepare a bowl of ice water. Once the vegetables are done, immediately transfer them from the boiling water to the ice bath to stop the cooking process. 5. Drain. After a few minutes in the ice bath, drain the vegetables and pat them dry with a towel. And there you have it, blanched vegetables demystified. This simple yet effective cooking technique can make a world of difference in your dishes, preserving the beauty and nutritional value of your vegetables. We hope this video has shed some light on blanching and inspired you to try it out in your own kitchen. Happy cooking! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering the English language in practical, everyday situations. See you in the next video.